The Citizens Coalition for Change has raised objections to the actions of Sengezo Chabangu, the disputed interim Secretary-General, who has made changes to the party's parliamentary leadership and has declared himself as the leader of the opposition. This move comes after Parliament reversed the appointments made by Jameson Timber in February. Timber is associated with a CCC faction known to be loyal to former party leader Nelson Chamisa. Chabangu's appointments were announced in the Senate by the temporary president of the Senate. The temporary president stated, "I wish to inform the House of the following changes in the leadership development of CCC party members in Parliament. Honorable El Karini Kore, leader of the opposition in the National Assembly, Honorable Senator Sengezo Chabangu, leader of opposition in the Senate and overall leader of the opposition in Parliament."